You can run individual cells of code, visualize data, and even embed explanations and documentation all in one place. It's like a digital lab notebook for your AI experiments. Trust me, once you start using Jupyter notebooks, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Whether you're debugging code, collaborating with others, or just exploring data, Jupyter Notebooks is an absolute game changer. Okay, let's be real. Deep learning can be intimidating. That's where Keras comes in. Keras is all about making neural networks accessible to everyone. Think of it as a simplified interface for building powerful deep learning models. And yes, it runs on top of TensorFlow, which we talked about earlier. Keras takes care of a lot of the complex backend stuff, allowing you to focus on designing and experimenting with your models. It's perfect for rapid prototyping and building proof-of-concept projects. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Keras is still incredibly powerful. You can build everything from image classifiers to text generators with just a few lines of code. It's like having a magic wand for deep learning. And trust me, once you try it, you'll be hooked. Finally, no AI toolkit would be complete without OpenCV, the undisputed king of computer vision libraries. We're talking image and video processing, object detection, facial recognition, you name it. OpenCV can probably handle it. If you're building any application that interacts with the visual world, whether it's a self-driving car or a medical imaging system, OpenCV is your go-to tool. It's open source, it's incredibly well documented, and there's a massive community of developers constantly pushing its boundaries. And the best part? It plays nicely with other libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, giving you the flexibility to integrate computer vision into your larger AI workflows seamlessly. It's like the missing link between the digital world and our own visual world. So there you have it, the essential AI tools every engineer should have in their toolkit for 2025 and beyond. These tools are powerful, they're versatile, and they're constantly evolving, just like the field of AI itself. Whether you're building the next generation of self-driving cars or simply automating tasks in your workflow, mastering these tools will undoubtedly give you an edge in the world of engineering. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one building the AI tools of tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video.